Hi everyone, welcome to Fang's Kitchen. I'm Fang. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make eggplant burger. The main ingredients are shrimp and eggplant. If you like pork and beef, you can change shrimp into pork and beef. Here I prefer shrimp. First, let's slice the eggplant. Look, these two slices, don't separate them because I will put the shrimp in it. But if you separate them accidentally, it's okay. This is also can be burger. I will teach you how to make them. Just feel free. Then let's cut the shrimp into small pieces. Salt, sugar, shrimp powder, mushroom powder, green onion powder, soy sauce, one egg, then mix it. Then put the shrimp into eggplant. After that, push a little bit. Let these two slices stick together. Like this one we cut accidentally, we can just put the shrimp inside. The shrimp will stick them together. Then we need to prepare some flour water. flour, open the fire, put oil, when the oil is hot, we can start to cook eggplant burger. Let's use the flour water to seal the eggplant burger. When the two sides are golden yellow color, it means it's ready. Lunch is ready, let's start to eat. Yummy! Cheers! Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye!